What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So you ever notice how photographers say they don't need more gear and then immediately buy more gear? Bro, I'm good. Minimal now. Also, bro owns 14 bags. Today we're talking about something small, something compact, unassuming, but secretly kind of a monster. Alright, so this is the Besnfoto small hardshell camera case, and I didn't expect to like this as much as I do. Alright, so if you've been around the channel, you know that Besnfoto sent me one of their roll top camera bags a while back. And I've been using that thing for everything. Camera gear, drone gear, random I might need this gear. It basically became my daily what can I shove in here today bag. And here's the weird part. About a week before Besnfoto reached out about this case, I literally said to someone, man, I need a dedicated case for my drones. And maybe something compact for street photography. Next thing I know, email. I'm not saying they're watching me, but if my phone starts recommending socks, we're having a conversation. Now, Besnfoto did send this to me. They didn't tell me what to say, no script, no structure, no please say it's revolutionary. Everything that you're hearing, that's me. Talking to you like we're just hanging out. If it was trash, I'd tell you. Politely, but I'd tell you. So when I pulled this out of the box, I thought, oh, cute. Then I opened it, and this thing is basically the TARDIS from Doctor Who, way bigger on the inside. So it's a hardshell case, actual rigid exterior. So if you accidentally bump into something or toss it in your car like you're late to golden hour, we've all done it, your gear isn't crying inside. Soft shock absorbing foam, detachable dividers, you can configure this however you want. Minimal kit, cool. Compact hybrid setup, done. Drone layout, oh yeah. So let's talk real world. I can fit a mirrorless body, 2 extra lenses, batteries, camera strap, random just-in-case accessories, and it doesn't feel all cramped. I'm out here and I'm testing the Besnfoto hardshell case. This little, it's not a sling bag, it's just a case. It's like a mini case. And I'm kind of impressed with it. It's small. That's the thing, it's small. But, I mean, it's pretty hard. I've dropped it a couple times and my camera's good. Everything that was inside of it was good. It does have some cool little features that I'll show you. So as you can see, it's got a little area right here for your batteries or little cards or whatever you want. This can come out, and then it's got a bunch of extra little pieces where you can build however you want. Camera fits in there with the lens, no problem. Little accessories. It's small, it's lightweight, it's actually pretty cool. Is it something that's going to replace your full-size camera bag? No, not even close. But it's something where if you're going out and you're doing some street photography and you're bringing only your camera and like a lens and like maybe a soda or your GoPro or something, it's big enough to put that stuff in where you don't have to carry around a 20-pound bag just to do a session of street photography. Coming out today, like normally I come out here, I have my backpack with me, so I'm walking around with my backpack on. This time I just got this thing slung over my shoulder and I'm good to go. Now here's where it gets fun. My entire DJI Mini 4 Pro kit fits inside. The drone, the controller, charging hub, extra batteries, props, filters, drone strobe, even my reading glasses, because apparently I'm at that stage of life now. And nothing is jammed in there like a suitcase before a flight. Everything sits clean, protected, and organized. Which if you're a drone pilot, that's everything. There's this removable flat pouch section for batteries and small accessories. And here's the cool part. It attaches to the Besnfoto roll top bag, so you can actually run it standalone, or throw it inside the roll top, or mix and match. It feels intentional, like they actually designed these products to work together. Which, shocking concept in 2026. So let's be real. This hardshell case, it's for street shooters who don't want to look like they're filming a Marvel movie. It's for drone pilots who are tired of oversized backpacks. It's for travel photographers who want something small and rugged. It's also for hobbyists who just want protection without spending $200 because someone put a fancy logo on it. It doesn't scream expensive camera gear inside, but that matters. Then there's the price. Under $30. Yeah, $25.99 to be exact. That's less than some memory cards, and we've all paid more for worse. Don't even lie. So for what you're getting, a hard shell, modular interior, legit capacity that's kind of ridiculous. I've genuinely been impressed with what Besnfoto's been putting out lately. The roll top surprised me. This surprised me even more. They feel like one of those brands that's about to get more attention, and once that happens, well, prices don't usually go down. So I'll drop links below so you can check it out for yourself. But I'm curious, are you team one big backpack or team modular cases? Let me know in the comments. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell for more videos. Also, hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, to grab a few of my newly released photo prints, as well as a copy of my Lightroom presets pack. And until next time, get out, go outside, and shoot. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna go play in the snow.